For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Nkululeko Nkeo. As always, every Monday I'm with Ubobo Gaugelo and of course Lindo Pep. You should check out our video with Lindo Pep after you see this one. Please make sure you're subscribed. Please make sure you comment, agree or disagree with what we are saying. Please make sure you like our content as well. Tell everyone that every Monday Ubobo noNkululeko bala bakhuluma ngediski nomsangano wabo bazophinda futhi next week and the week after that and the week after that. Sisonke, we are family. Please make sure you are subscribed. Now, Orlando Pirates are out of the CAF Champions League. Last week, myself, Nobobo besikhuluma nje ukuthi, what do you think is going to happen if Pirates are out? Of course, we also have to see ukuthi what's going to be the nature of a knockout. Sometimes, if you come back from 3-0 down, you score 3 goals and lose on penalties, that's a good fight. So, maybe the management will see it different. I'll find out from Bobo, who was not with us on Saturday, what he thinks about that. And later on in the video, we'll talk about the fan base CM Mamelodi Sundowns. Not only about the matches that we've seen, but also the bigger picture of if you keep on winning, when does it change for you to start gaining fans? Will it ever change? Chiefs are the biggest team in the country. Orlando Pirates are the second biggest team in the country. Sundowns are the third biggest team in the country. However, they are very far from the two teams from Soweto. So, if Sundowns were to win 50 Champions League or 50 league titles in a row, would it convert at some point? Or there will always remain a team from Pretoria that attracts people from there and maybe some people, of course, across the country. So we'll talk about that topic as well. Congratulations to Sundowns, Stellenbosch and Kaizer Chiefs for progressing in Africa. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us. How are you, sir?
No, I'm good, Nkululeko.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What was your thought originally, Maboni Pirates, we were 3-0 down from the game that they played? You were not with us on Saturday, but I'm sure you were keeping an eye on the score. And then as they lost on penalties, what was your thought in general?
Nkululeko, into engiyibonile when Orlando Pirates ibuya ku 3-0 down, I told you ukuthi if bangakhona ukukora early kuzoba easy for bona Orlando Pirates ukuthi banga equalize lama goal mhlambe abafuna ukuthi bawathole. So into engiyibonile after Pirates equalize, I thought no man, Pirates will progress go ma group stages. The way ngibona fighting spirit engakhona Orlando Pirates esikhathini esiningi uma win ama game, inowina ama game, it's either additional time in 90 minutes or your first half. Aba lose the concentration. La khona the opponent is tshela ukuthi we are done. It's like Orlando Pirates icala khona ukuthi no guys, let's go. Isikhathi sesiphelile. So mina I thought the Pirates izoyina kuma penalty, and uma ngibona I Pirates ikwazi ukuthi immediately loser I penalty, ngibona le team ithola I missed the penalty. Ngasho ngathi nayi chance,
it's a second opportunity.
Second opportunity with Pirates can win this game. But unfortunately it's football, and especially kulesa stage engisibonile to give umdlalo fana nombuthuma. Kuleko I understand ukuthi a training you can do izinto right, because we say training you can score 5 out of 5 ema penalties, 10 out of 10. But when it comes to a game izinto ziyachange. Lesa stage umbuthuma uyaqala ukudlala kuzo. Uyazibuza ukuthi uma umbuthuma ayalapha bebangekho yini abadlali. I'm not saying because uluzile, because if bekakorile besizothi no iPirates yabanikeza abadlali abancane kuma game aphezulu ukuthi bathathe responsibility. But sesibheka esayithini lokuthi uyiluzile lo yamdlali.
Yeah. But ngicabanga Bobzit ukuthi ekugcineni, because those penalties were now getting to sudden death.
Yes.
Ekugcineni besizofika lapho khona even no goalkeeper mele akhahlele. So in the first 5 he was not there.
Yeah.
So they protected him. As amajita siyaspana siyabhadalwa, ekugcineni someone has to do a job. Yena ufike mhlambe ngo number 6 or number 7.
Yeah.
One of the two.
Yeah.
So it was not as if bamlahlele kule first 5. If the first 5 bewenza umsebenzi, then at least he was not going to have to take it.
Ngiyayithola, but njengamanje ungabheka Nkululeko ukuthi ayiluzile uyazibuza mina uChina bengamnikeza nokumnikeza.
No, normally goalkeepers they take it for number 10.
But uyakwazi ukuphasa. So bakhona goalkeeper abafesayo sinabo abo Kenneth Mwini bebakwazi ukushaya.
No, Kennedy Mwene is different. Uyena noMbongeni Mzimela. Those are two different. Wamazulu. Those are two different goalkeepers because they actually have more goals than abadlali.
Asiphathi pressure Nkululeko. Yabona lesa stage lesa Nkululeko. Ngikutshela ukuthi ungadlali CAF Champions League, udlala nje.
Well, you are a striker sekuthengile ndoda. uyi-striker I understand your point. I agree with it.
ngiyakuthola
Mangabe bemlahlela kule first 5.
Yeah.
Ukuthi this guy came from the bench, maybe you're not awukabambi kahle warm up, but the first 5 he was not there. At the end someone is going to have to kick.
Yeah, and
it's going to be
right.
you.
Kusho ukuthi right uyawathatha ama penalty training. Kusho wona ukuthi right uma ngabe bayomthumela.
It is ngomen I sent Elo Lipopo yazi ngoba they took their penalties well. There are other things during the game that people did not like.
Yeah.
Conduct yabo, abomokoko, stuff like that. I mean, I expected them to do that because you could see there's a gap there. Ma unenkinga quality. You have to do something with distract Pirates.
Yeah.
Ukhumbule ukuthi njengoba Pirates scored the first goal, there was 7 minutes of no action. Kwaliwa, it was 2 red cards. Those guys were deliberately doing that because they could see there's a quality difference here. If Asbaphaza miss, then they're gonna just keep on creating those chances. They killed the momentum. Opening goal, they killed the momentum. 7 minutes of no play because there was a fight. They were doing it deliberately. So, and also they have to do that if they have a quality issue. Yeah, so I expected them to do that. But also, I want to just say to them, congratulations in terms of the penalties they took. Because I did not expect them to be so good and clinical with the penalties.
Kuleko, ngivumelana nawe kakhulu. Especially kulento lecethu kuyisho yokuthi bo expect izinto esifana nalezi. If City sikhuluma ngama preparation we CAF Champions League, sikhuluma nga everything involve le game siyoidlala. Yonke lento esiyibona lapha into ebuyile silindele ukuthi yenzeke. Thina sizonqoba kanjani kulento na because siyabona nama North African the way beza ngakhona mabafuna ukuwin igame. Baya all out. They can fight, they can do everything. Noma ngabe yini abafuna ukuthi baze bawine le game. So kumele ukuthi ube prepared. That is why kumele ube ne leadership, especially senior players inside the field. Abakwazi ukuprotector abonomtajela. If umdlalo ufuna ukubhulisha lentwana kumele sibe khona as senior players inside the field to protect those young ones. You understand? So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ma preparation we CAF Champions League kuningi kuhlala kwenzeka okunye asukuboni njengamanje asazi bekwenzakalani ngalesa sikhathi igame singakhona ukuyibona le off and on the field. You understand? So izinto engishayo ukuthi ama preparation but give credit to them nabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babuye naleya win. You know escotini akholula ukuthi ungavimbe Orlando Pirates. Yeah,
I thought Pirates did everything they could. The only thing for me I will go back to is the starting lineup and the lack of a striker. That was a big talking point. Pirates is with striker and all of that, and I thought that was a mistake. But they still scored 3 goals when they introduced the striker Mbutuma in the second half. He did enough in terms of the chaos. He scored a goal as well. But Pirates scored 3 goals. I don't think that when I was talking with Ulindo. I said this in our video that there will be a lot of talks amongst people. What happened? What did they do wrong? The Pirates. You don't do anything wrong when you win 3-0. The only thing you did wrong was to concede 3 goals away from home. They did everything right.
And yazi Nkuleko, kulento yokudlala without a striker. Mina i-lineup ye-Pirates ngazitshela ukuthi bengingaya ngomabasa noma Khupa uma ngicala. But uma ngithi ngibheka the way ucoach Orlando Pirates aqhamuke ngakhona ngabheka lento ukuthi okay uyazi ukuthi le team izodlala low block ukuze ukuthi ngikhiphe le team ku low block akungcono ngidlale ngana striker so that bakhona ukubuya kancane babone ukuthi the 2 center back abanamuntu abamakhili. Let's move a little bit forward so that sikwazi ukuthi siyophika labantu abakhona abadlala labo 10 position, those attacking players e Orlando Pirates. The more bazophusha kancane yonke line izophusha and kuzovuleka ispace la ngemuva. Ila kumele sikwazi ukuthi sibaphusha ukuthi bangadlali low block. Ngila ngicabanga khona mangibona aza without a striker.
And they did score 3 goals. So the problem with the analysis sometimes is that even in Nkulumo nje social media is that sometimes we talk just to talk because there's nothing you can say about a team that scored 3 goals. They did well. They scored 3 goals. There's no analysis to make there about a failure or the failure is that you didn't go through, but ultimately you scored 3 goals, and that's remarkable. In any match where you score 3 goals, because I actually didn't believe that the team will allow Pirates to score 3 goals. Well, it was not even about allowing or not allowing. Pirates was so good that they scored 3 goals. Because I was thinking, okay, if they have 3 goals coming into the second leg, they're going to make it difficult for Pirates. Guess what? They just, every man was behind the ball and the Pirates kept on coming. Let's talk then to the substance of this before we move on to the next topic. Of course, we were just trying to talk about if you were in the semi-finals last time, what's going to happen if Upuma goes second round this time. And also there was the talk of a national team as well. Then definitely we benefit from having these teams competing there. What do you think when Bob said are there going to be any long-term effects ku national team njengoba iphumile Paris?
Nkululeko ngiyacabanga kuzoba njalo. Ukungena straight kule topic kancane ngicale la ekutheni for coach Wadu to fail ukudlala ama semi-final la wadlala Orlando Pirates last season. For me ngiyacabanga ufailile for yena, but he deserves a second chance as a coach because akanasi isikhathi eside ku Orlando Pirates. Kumele athole chance ku Orlando Pirates njengoba simbona afika ku Orlando Pirates. So for iBafana Bafana ngendaba ne Pirates, you must remember Nkululeko ukuthi ucoach weBafana Bafana uHugo Broos uMadala uyabaza abadlali bakhe ekumele badlale ku national team. Una list eya ku AFCON ucoach Hugo Broos. Just into ekhona nje kuphela ukuthi uzoba disappointed ngama injuries kulabo badlali. But performance wise, I'm telling you Nkululeko, unalento yokuthi umdlalo thize umadlala kuBafana Bafana anginikeza lento engiyifunayo. Anginandaba ukuthi udlala kanjani eteamini yakhe. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzoyi affecta kuphinde kungayi affect. Why? Ngiyobona ngathi si disrespecta some of the teams abadlala iCAF Champions League or iCAF Confederation njengabo Kaizer Chiefs. They are still there. We must also believe ukuthi kuba khona kweChiefs, ukuba khona kweStellenbosch, ukuba khona kweSundowns, nabo bazoyinceda iBafana Bafana going forward, not because of iOrlando Pirates ayisekho. Na iChiefs ukuba khona kwayo lapha kunabadlali uthola ukuthi 1 or 2 3 players or 5 players bazoba khona ku AFCON. We never know njengoba ngisho ukuthi uMadala wazi abadlali,
especially if they push on to quarterfinals, semi-finals.
Njengoba iPirates manje when iBafana Bafana ithola ibronze, iPirates beyinga participate ku CAF Champions League. Ya eliminator we understand. So but yakhona ukuyothola imedal. Why? Some of the players bebakhona bangadlali iCAF Champions League.
But the core of the team, if you remember. So it was Makgopa number 9.
Yes.
On the right it was Pesitao. On the left bekunabo Thapelo Maseko sometimes. Not necessarily AFCON 2023.
2023, yes.
That squad I remember it's like 9 Sundowns players, including Pesitao, if you want to include Pesitao. And then as evolve Pirates idlala kahle ku Champions League, saqala sabona manje ukuthi it's actually now a blend. Guna 6 ku Pirates, 6 ku Sundowns, kanjalo. Then by mix about TS Galaxy. So I think this is where it comes from, even from South Africa ukuthi if those, because that's literally the makeup of Bafana Bafana is Pirates and Sundowns, and it's based on the fact that these guys are getting better experience with Champions League and better competition. Now that they are not there, I think you are actually making a good point that maybe uzobheka lapha ku Stellenbosch na ku Chiefs ukuthi if they do well angadonsa 2 ngapha, but I also agree with you ukuthi he already has that list anyways. Whether Pirates was out or in with CAF, he already has that list because AFCON is in 2 months' time. So he already has that list. Umbogazi, there's no reason for him not to be there. Umbogazi. Maybe even Unemtajela could be one of the surprise elements. Uchayine, there's no reason for him not to be there. He's the second best goalkeeper in the country. So there will be 6 names from Pirates one way or another.
Because uma ungayibheka Nkululeko ukuthi enye into emncedayo kakhulu ile chemistry ayidingayo. Uma ungabheka uSiphumbuli performance yakhe uye kusikhukhuni bephezulu kakhulu compare kule anayo ku Orlando Pirates, but beyangakhona ukumlanda kusikhukhuni. Ukwazi ukumlanda manje because ube ne understanding yokuthi no man, Siphumbuli played nalabadlali abadlala ku national team from Mamelodi Sundowns. Siphumbuli now is playing for Orlando Pirates, so it's easy for yena ukuthi understand le system engifuna ukudlala ngayo kuBafana Bafana. So nako lokho ubheka into eziningi uHugo Broos. Sengiyacabanga ukuthi Pirates out angeke umaffect ngalendlela. He understand ukuthi if really angana injury uzoba khona, if uPolice angana injury uzoba khona.
Is still Pirates. For us, Unkota is still a Pirates player.
We are not,
so the chemistry is still the same.
Exactly. We are not giving Hugo Broos a lineup. Umadala uyazi into ayenzayo. Abanye bangacabanga ukuthi kunamaqembu akhona abo Golden Arrows AmaZulu, but it's difficult Nkululeko ukulanda ama 1-1 2-2-2 because kumele usebenze more ku combination because labadlali aba understandana nomunye ubuyale kunendlela adlala ngakhona ukuze ba understand your philosophy kuyokuthatha isikhathi and we don't have time kubafana bafana so kuyamnceda ukuthi asebenze ngama team aperformayo njengoba usho ukuthi Orlando Pirates, Sundowns namanye ama team akhona silanda bondamane ababakhona kuleya team from TS Galaxy so ngiyacabanga nakolokho Hugo Bros ready for kona kuleko.
There you are. Thank you so much, Bobzit. We'll wrap up the video talking about something very important in relation to Sundowns. Before we do that, please make sure you are subscribed to Itiski TV. Let us know if you agree with this topic of conversation. And of course, I suppose as well, this is a second opportunity for everyone who was trolling the Pirates. Stick the knife in, twist it in the stomach. Pirates will get over it, of course. Hopefully next season they come back into the CAF competitions. I was really proud when we had 2 semi-finalists in the Champions League and then Stellenbosch was in the final as well. I was looking forward to the Buccaneers maintaining that level. And that's why it's a valid question to ask Uguti, is it a failure now? And Ubobo is saying that give him a second chance because it's still fresh in the team. But it is also true that if you were in the semi-finals and then you knocked out in the second round, it is a failure in that sense. If you're in the semi-finals and then you go to the quarterfinals, that's not failure for a new coach. But he was not able to get through the group stages. But you can't fault the fact that they scored 3 goals. They won 3-0. That was very dominant as a performance. Now then, let's move on to something else, Wobson. Yeah. It's a big topic. When I was a kid growing up, Gundawabati KTC Enyanga, not far from the Cape Town International Airport.
Yeah, I know Leanda Ukule.
The Chiefs fans there.
Yeah. Before Kubega. Yeah, I'm
from that place. I'm not far from Minyanga police station.
Yeah.
I'm from that area. so Abandu Papa, Bandali Chiefs, the Pirates. We are closer people, we love Chiefs and Pirates. 90% Chiefs or 80% Chiefs, 15% Pirates. Occasionally, this is a point. Occasionally, benginokubona mangkhula umlandeli weSundowns. Occasionally. Khona nenye out beyipendi umkhukwayo la.
Yeah.
Ngama-colours for Sundowns. Yeah. So Sundowns is a national team all over the country, but they've not been able to make a breakthrough. Yokuthi njengoba iphumelela grounding iyabathola na abalandeli. And I think that's the question I want to put to you, Uguti. What is it going to take? Yesterday, there was a good crowd, Loftus. We were worried at the beginning, but we kind of saw, Uguti, there must have been 10,000 people there, if not more. It's just that obviously the camera is looking the other side. They were behind the bench, So there's been a struggle as well at this season. Sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not there. It is true that you are 57 fans. It's not a fact, but it's a perception that you are a small team. But you are the biggest team, team except for Pirates and the Sundowns, and the Chiefs. What is it going to take? Because you are winning league titles 8 times in a row. Even if you win Champions League 10 times in a row, it seems like you are staying where you are. And if it's not like we are Sunday, like we Pirates, like you are just the 3rd biggest team, but not to go to your Kopugang or 50% or 30%, you are remaining a small team amongst the big boys. So what is it going to take?
Yeah, ngiyacabanga Nkuleko into efana nale idinga abalandeli beSundowns abakhona kube yibo aba-understanda lento efana nale because if you can check i-team ikwenze konke kusemandleni the management yenze konke kusemandleni ukuthi sithola ama-results singabalandeli phela when Sundowns win as a Sundowns fan uba happy ukwazi nokuwalka la estradini so wena njengomlandeli weSundowns yini into eyenzayo after i-team iceda ukuwina ngiya-understanda ukuthi kule simo esikiso kule country Nkuleko financial wise asimanga right si country but uyothola ukuthi kunendawo ubobo azambayo njengomlandeli weSundowns la khona you spend more money than going to the stadium la khona itikiti is 40 rand so uyakhona ukubona ukuthi kwabanye abantu abafana nathi excuse ukuthi ngingayi stadium ngithi because of anginamali but ngiyokwazi ukuspenda 500 or 1000 somewhere ngingayi stadium so nayo le issue because mina ngicabanga ukuthi ama branches weSundowns kumele asebenze Nkuleko because if singama branches siyocala lapho kulungisa lenkinga uku-attenda ama game ngebranch akufani ukuthi ngi-attende igame ngingahambi nebranch uma ngihamba ngedwana manje ngazizwa ngathi angikho right ngcono ngihlale kanti ngiyaphi ngibukela ibhola TV. But uma ngabe ibranch ipostile ukuthi siyahamba siyobukela iSundowns eBloemfontein kuMarumo Gallants, always ngikhona lapho ngibhadele nokubhadela ngeke ngisahlala ngithi because angibhadelanga. So la sicale la ku ground level la khona lama supporter we Sundowns kumele attend khona ama games. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi 8 league titles Nkuleko wathathu wanikeze Pirate or Chiefs ungitshela ukuthi bekuzoba njani stadium.
Yeah.
Akusho ukuthi abalandeli beSundowns abekho bakhona. And uma ngikhuluma kanje some will say maybe ubobo udefender management or defender whoever defender. I'm getting nothing from
Let me clarify something, Bob. Yeah. Sundowns has enough fans to fill up a stadium.
Yes.
That's not even a question.
Yeah.
So for example, if Ngiti is Chiefs in a 10 million yabalandeli, mhlambe Pirates in a 5 million yabalandeli.
Yeah.
Sundowns, I could say maybe in a 1 million. I'm making an example.
Or 500,000.
Yeah, 500,000.
Yeah.
So in abalandeli to fill up a stadium.
Yes.
So that's not to say that logo sikubona a stadium abantu mhlawumbe about 8,000. That means iphelele lapho.
No.
The question is about, and njengoba sikhuluma ngicabanga Man City. Man City ngo-2008 mayithengwa. Bayithenga, it's a small team, a regional team, it's a small team in Manchester. It's dominated by Manchester United. If you look over the last 15 years, njengoba ikhuphuka ikhula dominate English Premier League nabo Pep, if you ask kids today globally, yili piqembu ol-supportayo, some of them will start saying Man City.
Yeah.
Because as Bawina, they get more TV coverage, and then young kids, because we are always giving birth to young children.
Yeah.
Then support this one that's winning. Abantwana baloku basupporta amaqembu awinayo. uRonaldo makaya eSaudi Arabia bathenga amajezi.
Yeah.
They didn't even know those teams, ama-club as Saudi Arabia. Now, my question is, why is it that the success you're giving us a perspective yama branches, ne? Umsebenzi wabo.
Yeah.
But me, I'm also referring to South Africa ukuthi, why is it that this success, a consistent kangaka, has not given a automatic support ukuthi khuphuke nje mhlambe mayiku 1 million manje but as a result of ukuwina 8 times in a row nokubamba ama trophy we-CAF, you've got now 1,200,000. Why ingakhuphuki i-fan base?
Nkuleko, that is why ngithi idinga abalandeli. If like me ngubobo nginengane zami engihlala nazo endlini, kumele understand iSundowns, it's a winning team right now. Kumele ba understand bonke labantwana phela iChiefs nePirates banama supporter, because uma ungayenza research liningi labantu besilisa abakhona ungabheka ukusupporta kwabo lawo ma team ukuthi abazali babo bebasupporta ama team.
We inherited
understand
the team.
So why wena as a Sundowns fan ungathathi ingane zakho uzijwayeze iSundowns because yenza kahle? Angeke ngichange wena Nkuleko ukuthi ungasupporta iSundowns.
Yeah, no, we are already Chiefs fans and Pirates fans.
Kumele siconcentrate kuphi kule age la khona sifuna le development ikhule yazi njengoba unika example ngeMan City. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kulindi Mamelodi Sundowns fan base ukuthi e-stadium ukugcwala. Nkuleko, stadium asigcwali, asinaso stadium esigcwalisa 100,000 people. So do you think Sundowns ayinayo 100,000 supporters?
They have more than 100,000.
Yeah, understand. So kusho kona ukuthi nathi singabalandeli siba lazy Nkuleko, ngifuna ukuyibeka straight. Siba lazy for the team. Sigcwele ku social media kakhulu. Sigcwele
Oh yeah, you guys are very militant ku social media.
Yeah, understand. So ithi ngikutshele Tebza lento ayikhulumile mina ngajabula kakhulu mazokhuluma lento ledlala bafana ukuthi ugcine kudala kudlala kuleya capacity. You understand? And as a player Nkuleko angeke uhlale Nkuleko ungayijabuleli lento efana nale. So we are failing amajita, we are failing the team because the team isinikeze everything. Nkuleko kuwin league 8 times in a row. It's not easy. Ayikho team like South Africa yakwenza no. So but why singabanikezi lento? At least today yesterday I was happy to see Iloftas and in Ireland account Atteridgeville Iloftas akufani. Sometimes numbers nokuba nayo Iloftas, but because of angeke uyibone ngoba isigubhu singapha emva kwebench and i-camera face engale. So akufani nase Atteridgeville camera face ekuphi kulela side.
Our videographer is panicking. We need to wrap it up. Okay. Do you believe you still have 40 or 50 years left in your life? You're going to live a very long life, hopefully, inshallah, God willing.
Yeah.
Do you believe in your life you will ever, because this thing there has to be a direct link ngokuwina nokugaina abalandeli, whether it's in basketball, kuneteam abathi Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan. Njengoba win Chicago Bulls Michael Jordan in the 90s, we hear about it thina kubo South Africa, everywhere, England, New Zealand, then we start buying amajezi we Bulls Chicago. And then other teams about LA Lakers. In the more you win in sport, the more you win, the more young children get to know about you. Do you believe ukuthi njengoba iqhubeka win Sundowns, will there ever be a time in your lifetime where ubona South Africa yonke igqoka amajezi we Sundowns nikwalisa stadium?
Not South Africa yonke. Like how you must understand, kune Chiefs ne Pirates abantu abajwayele, and in marketing Chiefs ne Pirates, they always make sure even if Sundowns is winning, kuba na something abayipushayo ku marketing ukuthi ihlale le team iku-standard esikuso.
Yeah.
If you can take Chiefs ku 10 years without a trophy, but when they play ama-supporter we-Chiefs aba more than we-Sundowns.
Yeah.
Bekumele kube nemehluko lapho. So uyakhona ukubona ukuthi ne-marketing iyanceda kakhulu kulama team ukuthi singakhohlwa ukuthi it's a big team. They remind each kunabantwana abancane abasupport Chiefs.
They're not satisfied.
We understand.
They're always marketing themselves.
We understand. So nakithi lento iyadingakala. Ne-marketing kumele push into ezifana nalezo Nkuleko. Ama-t-shirt we-Downs kumele bathole everywhere. And look at how Sundowns yenza izinto Nkuleko. You know ukuthi le t-shirt le it's 1.3 but uzoyithola ngabo ma 800 because iyenze into yaba simple kuma supporter. Kunama discount akhona if une membership card. 20% uthenga ka Puma. If you travel nge Intercape 20%. If ulala eSouthern Sun une 20% off. So i-team izamile but mina ngitshele ngitransportwa nge 20% off, ngithenga ijezi nge 20% off, ngiyolala nge 20% off but ngihluleka ukuhamba ngiyosupport iSundowns. Uyabona ukuthi ayikho i-team ekwenzayo lokho la South Africa except iSundowns. So ngizama ukusho ukuthi isikhathi uma siya Nkuleko kuzoba right as long as sizimaketha nathi abalandeli beSundowns kumele sizimakethe. We must post everything a positive ngeSundowns, not always to criticize. We must post. Look at how amanye ama-team enza ngakhona. If uNuno manje enza lento le, if uNuno bekadlala ku-Chiefs or Pirates, bekumele uNuno manje umbona because if i-fan base yabo,
it would have been player.
We understand, but always bayapusha. But thina si-concentrate emsebenzini la khona kungamelanga si-concentrate khona. Sibheke the way mhlawumbe ucoach enza ngakhona, the way management, forgetting umsebenzi wethu as supporters ukuthi kumele sihambe siye stadium.
All right, there you are. Thank you so much, Bob Zit. That was us on a Monday. We'll catch up with Lindo Pep as well. Summarizing the weekend. Ubobo will be back with us and the whole team tomorrow. On a Tuesday, it will be Orlando Pirates against Magesi. It's a second opportunity for Orlando Pirates to right that wrong since they were knocked out by the same team last season. Can they come back? They didn't lose really this weekend, so Orlando Pirates has the momentum of winning, but maybe the players are feeling bad for being out of Africa. In my case, they haven't played in a long time. Are they fit enough to be able to fight against Orlando Pirates in the same competition? Ikaling Black Label knockout. Thank you very much for watching us. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.